These beef quesadillas are super delicious to make and they're perfect for a busy week. Start off by marinating some shaved beef with bachans hot and spicy. Then we're gonna slice up an onion, green and red bell pepper, get them down on the hot griddle and cook them for a couple minutes. Next, add the marinated shaved beef and season it up with salt, pepper, garlic. Once the beef is brown, mix it together with the sauteed peppers and onions. Then we're gonna get a tortilla down, add some Oaxaca cheese, the beef, peppers, and onions, more cheese on top. Cook it for a couple minutes each side, then it's time to dive right in.